Hey, let me show you 15 the best features of the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G. And first of all, we are going to start from the settings where we can find the RAM expansion. When you scroll all the way down, you can move for about the device, and here you can actually increase RAM by using this RAM expansion, so you can add additional 8 gigs of the RAM to your OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G. And all you have to do right now is just to simply restart the phone. Next, you can also save a lot of data to your SD card. Right here you can find input for the memory card, and if you actually fulfill the internal storage of the phone, you can actually find the SD card and you can migrate data to the SD card, or you can also save the files immediately to your SD card. Next, I want to show you the OTG connection, which means that we can actually connect external devices by the USB. So it's just right here. And the next function that it's also useful, it will be definitely right here, the gestures and the motions. Right here we can find the screen of gestures. So we can double tap to wake or turn off the screen like this. Of course, it only works from the home screen. There we go. You can wake the screen or lock the screen. And also you can draw some things like O or V, and you can open the camera, you can turn on and off the flashlight. You've got the music control, and here we can also turn the calculator, launch the Google Assistant, and also you can customize it, so you can get unlock, call, open and up. You can customize it with a lot of features, so that's really great function. Next, we can also split the screen in the smartphone. So we can just click here, tap split the screen, then select a second application, and there we can use two apps at the same time. And it also works for the floating windows. Take a look. You click here, and now we can open this application in the floating window mode. So we can use 3 apps at the same time with the split screen and the floating mode. Next, you've got also the quick launch with the fingerprint sensor. So it works like this, that you can click and hold your sensor. And okay, I just didn't turn it on. So let's fix this. There we go. Quick launch. And now when you just lock the phone, and if you want to quickly open any application, click and hold here, wait, and now drag. Of course, you can add here a lot of different applications by selecting this. You can link here, for example, some events, some camera functions, apps, Google Maps, for example. Next, we've got also the high performance mode. We can find it in the battery. So we have to go to the more settings, and here by clicking on the switcher, I will actually turn on the best possible performance of this device. Also, what is really useful, you can actually check the battery health by going here. You can find the maximum battery capacity. And now we are going to my favorite features. When you go for the security and privacy, you can find app lock. So with this function, you can actually set password on your apps. You can also hide your apps, and you've got the private save. And in the private save, you can actually hide your data like images, videos, audio, documents, and other files. When we go into the apps, we can also find app cloner, so we can use the same apps on the smartphone. And when you go into the security and the privacy one more time, you can also find here the face recognition and the fingerprint sensor that is built into the display. And the last function, it will be definitely the dual channel network acceleration. So this function allows us to simply speed up our internet by using the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.